So Avalanche is suggesting to apecoin to switch to its own subnet because of Ethereum's inefficiency, guys. This will be a massive change if it actually happens. What is up, guys? Welcome back to your daily source of news on all things crypto, and make sure you stay till the end for my apecoin price prediction. In today's news, apecoin is sitting at $6.32, down 4.21% for the past 24 hours. As we can see, apecoin has been on a steep decline for the past week and pretty much on a downtrend throughout the entirety of the past month, though it has been going sideways throughout the past couple of weeks. As we can see here, after it hit bottom here on the 11th, it rebounded back to around $8 and has been staying around there since. But now we are seeing yet another pretty significant dip. So could this possible transition revitalize apecoin? So Avalanche looks to onboard apecoin and proposes other side launch on its subnet. According to Colin Wu, the Avalanche core team has proposed to the apecoin DAO that the other side metaverse switch to the Avalanche blockchain. The proposal is still in the early stages of discussion. Apecoin would be so we have a tweet by the CEO of Avalanche here. Apecoin would be fantastic as an Avalanche subnet and benefit from the superior performance of its dedicated chain on the fastest consensus protocol, and the coin would have an additional use case that would help its market and regulatory stance. So Avalanche's interest in persuading apecoin DAO was acknowledged by the CEO of Ava Labs. Apecoin would be fantastic as an Avalanche subnet. The notion of deploying Avalanche as a subnet was also expressed by Philip Liu Jr., head of strategy at Ava Labs. During the mint sale of its other side metaverse land NFTs last month, Yuga Labs, a significant contributor to apecoin DAO, complained about Ethereum's network congestion and skyrocketing gas fees. It also expressed interest in developing its own blockchain to address scalability requirements. Yuga Labs then hinted at a possible apecoin migration in a viral Twitter thread, encouraging Apeholder's decentralized autonomous organization to explore it. In the case of an Avalanche move, Yuga's ecosystem would be able to exist on its own subnet, which is a technique that lets a single application's transaction be isolated without clogging the broader network. Avalanche, a layer 1 blockchain, offers itself as a speedier and less expensive Ethereum alternative. Avalanche also allows individual apps to create their own blockchains known as subnets that sit on top of the main network. In March, Avalanche committed $290 million to develop subnets. However, this still remains in the early stages. So going back to apecoin here, we are seeing this coin tumble on a downward spiral, unfortunately, dropping from the pre-downturn values of around $24. It actually hit its peak around this time, the peak being at $26. We are nowhere near that, guys. We lost around 4 times, almost 4.5 times the value of the peak, and I think we are gonna continue going downwards. But this is because of a very bearish market, and I think apecoin has a lot of potential, guys. It's just that we are in a significant bear market right now. So I would say invest while the price is low. We will be seeing a rebound, maybe not soon, but if you're planning to hold in long term, you will definitely experience some major profits. So that is it for today's news, guys. Come back tomorrow.